Who doesn't like chocolate covered strawberries? It's delicious. Of course I like chocolate covered strawberries. Hopefully this beer is a beer version of a chocolate covered strawberry. Oh, wow.
Yeah, no, it's been a while, Rachel. You missed all missed all the upgrades.
Really did. It's kind of nice to leave though and not have to do anything and then come back and it's just here for me.
It's ready. That's kind of how I feel. I
like
show up and I'm like,
convenient for me. This looks way cooler.
We're gonna mash at 150. 150. So we use 10.5 ounces of Golden Promise. You can use any base malt, it really doesn't matter. Pound and a half of flaked oats. We ended up having a little bit more in our bag, so we just tossed it all in. Not a big deal. We added 8 ounces of chocolate malt, 8 ounces of chocolate rye malt, and 8 ounces of Crystal Extra Dark. It's almost like a porridge at this point, like I'm making stew for everybody at school.
I hope you keep this entire section in the video. It's just like 10 minutes of Emmett just
Rambling.
and stirring a soup.
It really doesn't matter. Gotta open the ball valve. Sneak a peek.
Scald yourself. 5.78.
So we got a little lactic acid. That'll drop the pH a little bit.
It's better. That's
Yeah.
in the range.
Yeah, we're good.
Right?
5.5.
It's down 0.2.
Yeah, that's good. So we probably aren't drinking out of the right glasses here, Rachel, but I think they look cool.
I think they do too.
It looks really nice. Nice head on it. This is on nitro as well, so it's on nitro gas.
Oh man. And I even get the strawberry in there. It just smells delicious. It smells like dessert. Hot basket here.
Today we have a 60-minute boil, 1 ounce of Magnum hops. That's our only addition. We're adding those at the beginning of the 60-minute boil. I set the alarm for 55 minutes, so with 5 minutes left, we'll add the cacao and the lactose for 5 minutes, and then we'll chill and finish the brew day with some strawberry puree. Do you drink a lot of stout?
I don't drink a ton of stout, but when I do, I really enjoy it. I can't drink a lot of it. And I really like coffee stout. And I just love those like rich, kind of like nutty, chocolatey. It really does, it tastes like dessert to me.
Yeah.
I mean, who doesn't like dessert? Oh my gosh. My poor body double.
I just wish Rachel would come back.
Rachel! Okay, I just have to fix this. Where's her arm? I like this t-shirt though. She needs to be let out of the shadows.
Out of the shadows.
Creepy.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix her so she doesn't look like a...
Yeah, that kind of ticks all the boxes that I was kind of looking for. Man, it's crazy how much complexity you get from those darker malts. Those roasty, dark chocolate notes, just a little bit of that strawberry subtleness to come through. And we did use a little bit of the cacao, the cocoa nibs, right?
So what cacao is basically the raw, unrefined version of like a cacao berry. So if you roast this, it becomes cocoa, but this is just like the most raw version of chocolate that you can buy.
Cacao.
Our 60-minute boil is done. We're gonna add our 4 ounces of cacao nibs and a ½ pound of the lactose. We were gonna add a Werflock tablet, but I forgot, so we didn't. I think our plan is chill it, transfer it to the fermenter, and then just add the strawberries, right? The strawberry
Perfect. And then maybe give it a little shake.
Give it a shake, and then pitch the yeast, and call it good.
Sounds good.
And to pump in, pump out, to wort in. We're gonna open the ball valve. You guys ready for some pump action?
Ready. So our beer is chilled down to 71.2 degrees, and now we're transferring it into the fermenter.
We're gonna ferment this wort with dry English ale yeast, WLP 007, and we'll let it ferment for 7 to 10 days. So we got 3 pounds of the Oregon fruit puree, strawberry, active ingredients, strawberries. I'm not expecting an artificial in-your-face strawberry, but like I think it'll be subtle enough to go with that chocolate that it should be fairly nice. Yeah, and you get that. It's like that strawberry comes in, for me at least, on like last. Like it's kind of the last thing.
For me, it smells very strawberry.
Man,
That was kind of the first thing I smelled. You want to bend from the back, right?
hinge.
Right.
Use your
Here we
back like a
go.
hinge. We're gonna ferment at 66 degrees because that's as high as our fermentator will go. Fermentator, is that a word?
All right, here she goes.
Nice.
Turn the lights.
Huh? Oh.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Hey, Rachel, that went well.
I think it went great.
We came in, we had a goal.
We achieved it.
We did the goal. Had some laughs.
What more could you want in a day?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, the Valentine's Day beer, 6.69. Did it on purpose.
If you didn't love him before, you'll love him now.
Or not.
If you didn't have the courage to break up with him before, you will now.
There you go. I mean, I could drink this any time of year, but
Yeah.
I think this would be a nice treat to make, to brew for your special person in your life. Maybe I'll brew this up, closer to Valentine's Day. Maybe
Yeah.
I'll get one of those, white rugs in front of the fireplace.
Totally. Bearskin rug.
Oh, bearskin
Yeah,
rug.
yeah, bearskin rug.
Bearskin rug. Some rose petals,
Some charcuterie.
some chocolate covered strawberries.
Man.
I'll pose on the rug like Costanza. Life doesn't get much better, man.
No, definitely not for you at that point.
Bitter and sweet? Yeah, that's every relationship. You got your highs, your lows, your bitter, your sweet. If you look on Instagram, you may think differently, but behind the screen, we all know.
Emmett got really deep there and super
That's pretty good, right?
you turned into like a wise sage of relationships.
Yeah, well, I'm pretty good at them.
So good at him.
You get yourself a nice stout and drink it. Apparently I just got drunk.
Beer pickup lines is actually something. It's 36 best beer pickup lines. This isn't a beer belly, it's a fuel tank for my love machine. Ugh.
Hey gang, we want to thank you. Hey guys, thanks. Wow. I got it. For full recipe details, check out our website, clawhammersupply.com. And if you haven't subscribed, consider hitting the subscribe button. We'll check you on the next one.